guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a mega mystery bundle to show you from FabFitFun. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so if you saw my last edit box, the beauty edit box, one of the products was a really small product. I was like, there's no way this is a full size. So I did contact FabFitFun. They're telling me that the actual brand is saying that that is not a sample size, so they're running with that one. But they did give me a $15 credit for my inconvenience. Well, first, somebody only gave me like 500 points or something. Whatever the points were accumulated to like $2. Like it was $2 added to my account, and I wrote them back like, you're still not answering my question. If it's supposed to be all full size, why is there a non-full size product in here? And then they're like, well, obviously this isn't going to help you. So I took back the points and I will contact a higher up to see what they say. So they took those $2 back in points and then eventually gave me $15. So long story short, I used that $15 to go towards this. I didn't actually know they had mystery bundles this like large. There was 3 different ones. They had a massive super mega mystery bundle that is normally $753.86 it says, but it would be $199.99 is what you would pay if you bought that one. Then there was the super mega mystery bundle, which you pay $99.99, and it's supposed to be a value of $353.93. And then there was this one, which is the mega mystery bundle. It's supposed to have $192 and it's $49. So $49 and then minus my $15 is what I paid for this mystery bundle. And then I showed my friend, and then she showed me like a list of what somebody got in that one, which is exactly what I got. So I'm excited for like 1 or 2 of the items at least. So there you go. It came just in this one box. I thought it would be like in a smaller box inside, but no, it's literally just, they're all just thrown in this big box. Literally, that is all in this whole box. Like, they definitely could have saved shipping with a smaller box. So again, this one here, I paid, well, minus my credits, but it's $49.99 and it should have the value of $192. Okay, so there's 5 items in front of me. I'll go with this one here first. This is the Short Stories matte mugs set of 2. They're 13 ounce each. I will probably use this as like a gift for somebody at the end of the year. Maybe you do this with like some coffee or tea or like a candle or something like that. But I personally have no room for any type of a mug, cup, any type of drinkware in my cupboard, or else I'll have to get rid of another. And these are smaller. I have like 15 ounces or larger, not this small, but it is just like a cream color Short Stories. You have the 2 mug sets. They are the exact same. And again, they're a 13 ounce. So I will use that as a gift item. Next up, we have the Bobbi Brown Longwear Cream Liner Stick. And this is in the color Panther Matte, I think it says. I know we have received this before, and my friend reminded me that when I got it, I was thinking that it was going to be too large for an eyeliner because the actual product is really fat. See how big? See how fat the container is? And then look at how big that is. And you roll up. But you see how fat? That's like a marker size. So to me, I think that's too fat to use. So I will go ahead and put this in a future giveaway for somebody else. And I think that's where my other one went, because the same thing, I like my nice little thin line, not a thick one. So I will save that for a future giveaway. Then we have the Living Proof Scalp Care Exfoliator. That's a different type of a package right there. It says removes dry scalp flaking, excess oil, and buildup. I don't have that problem, so I don't know what I'll do with this, but it looks like you just twist the top and it must like open the valve to pour maybe in your hand, or maybe you use this to pour on your scalp with that applicator. But it is the Scalp Care Exfoliator, again by Living Proof. Next up, we do have Origins Youthtopia. This says it's a peptide plumping apple cream. So I wonder if this is for your face. Let's see. That is what it looks like. It just says apply AM and PM. Apply AM and PM. But where do you apply? Yeah, I don't see anything on there where it says where, so I'm going, ew. Ew. And I take a third whiff. That does not smell good. Like in there, what I'm smelling smells like dirty, nasty, wet, moldy, like newspapers or cardboard when it gets wet, like gets that nasty smell to it. Yeah, I won't put that on my face. So I'm not excited about this product because that stinks. I won't put that on my face. I'm sorry, I'm not smelling that. So one product left. This is a leave-in conditioner. So it looks like maybe this will be the only product I will be keeping. It says leave-in conditioner guava. And it has like the print inside the box. How cute. So, oh wait, I think I might have had this one before. I think I might have used this one before. It's a leave-in conditioner. You just put it in your hair. It says all the same thing. Leave-in conditioner, leave-in conditioner, leave-in conditioner. For all those moments we've taken our hair for granted, enter the Deep Hydration Repair Cream. Rich in antioxidants such as superfruit guava, helps protect hair from UV and free radicals. That's awesome. So yeah, this will be the only product that I will be keeping is the leave-in conditioner. So $49.99. It's supposed to be $192 value. You have a leave-in conditioner, a stanky, I don't even know if it's for your face, but some kind of a apple cream. You have a thick old Bobbi Brown eyeliner, and then you have the scalp exfoliator and a 2-piece mug set. Okay, you guys, so again, that is everything for this mystery bundle. This was the only thing that I purchased. Again, I wanted to use the $15 before they decided to take that from me too, and try to get something to show you something different, because I'm normally always showing you the mystery bundle that you add on that has the 3 items. So I thought this would be kind of cool to show you at least something different. And yeah, so definitely let me know, do you think that was worth the $49.99? Let me know what you think. If you got any of those, did you get the same one that I got? Did you get the same products? Definitely comment down below and let me know. If you would like to check out FabFitFun, I will list them in the description box for you to pop on over and check them out if you are interested. If you'd like to see other companies, learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I would love for you to stick around. I do so many different types of videos. If something pops up that you're not interested in, then just pass it until you see one that you are. It's that simple. All right, you guys, so now that is everything to say and show for this particular video. Again, don't forget to comment down below and let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.